And total Gladness, good night. My name is Jesse Beltran, student business administration and living in Facatativa. Today I want to tell about the environment and the damage caused by technology and possible solution remedy. Technology is undoubtedly virtue that has made human being grow, making it different and even impossible for earlier time is a significant life in change of many things easy to life. And since we have stopped using force and using the brain, droughts, flow, global warming, and reality of what they wanted to hide, where due to ignorance and the need not to show, the ugly thing is phone and television, computer on instrument that we use daily. And is the question, and really is the question. We are fighting the stronger time of humanity and a thin line of destruction or a new change for the planet that will influence all of us. We must start at home looking for solution to consume less energy, promote drastic change in government in order to regulate the way products are produced, so that companies understand that is not only to see to his no see to the money, no money, and the chain produce and the company. Since in a short time the economy, commerce, and humanity for not making changes the way we are doing things. And the question is bit important. Is a new planet. Is over there, is over here. And the chain for me, for us. Thank you and discussion, and good night. Bye.